920 cross. I mean, look at this close. If we could just get a nice rip up into this 32.90 area again, it's right into the 5 minute. Got a PCL here. Let's see, 88. We got a PCL at 88. I mean, I would just love to see just a little bit of a rally this morning, and VPOC print right around 90. Be beautiful. I'm going to get some short on this. I had an order sitting out. When that pop, I got filled, but wasn't the best fill, but still, I got it anyway. I got the puts on that pop up in the 90 there. 75 is a good first target. I'm watching this thing. It's still early. We're 1 minute in. If we could get a quick push into 70, then I definitely want to be taking some profits there. About to get filled. Yeah, I just got paid. Good profits there into 70. So I'm going to put another profit order out here in case we get a dump. One more dump on this. There it is. Boom. Looking for the 70 to get supported, but they're flashing it, but they keep pulling it, right? There's no real support here. Beautiful, man. All right, so I got half size here. If I can get a good bounce for another setup, I'm going to take it. Right? I'm going to get on a combo. If not, then I'd rather be in with half size on a big flush to 32.17 than nothing, right? So don't even hesitate. Just go ahead and give me 32.17 this hour. I'll take it. I'm taking all but 2 off at 32.17. Paid myself a little bit there.